Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Ford Kuga limited edition ST line, finished in lovely black. It's got a front park distance control, it's a facelift model. The light's not flickering, it's just a shutter speed on the video. We've then got diamond cut black alloy wheels, full ST body line body kit, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, larger, deeper rear diffuser with twin exhausts. Really is in fantastic condition. The car looks and drives like half the mileage. It really does. A lot of car for the money. This is, it's over £40,000 now. Inside the car, got the boot area is in lovely condition. Parcel shelf. Half Alcantara, half leather interior with the white stitch piping, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. As you can see, considering the mileage, no wear on the seats. Everything really nice. So inside the car, we've got auto headlights. It's done 110,893 miles. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, air conditioning. We've got 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest with 2 USBs. Got 3-stage heated seats for passenger and driver. Even got a heated steering wheel, satellite navigation, park distance control. It also has Parktronic. Got DAB radio as well. So it's all a lovely Bluetooth connectivity. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.